we've now added in our two first queries, both find artist and create artist. There's two more basic operations that I want to go through, both deleting an artist and editing or updating an artist. And then we're going to start to get into some of the really tough queries. Okay, so again, we're going to go through a little bit of the easier ones first, and then we're going to get into the really tough ones towards the end. So the next query that we're going to work on, or the next operation, will revolve around deleting an artist. So I just opened up my delete artist file inside of my queries directory. So if we look at the comments on this one, it deletes a single artist from the artist collection. So this function right here will be called with the ID of the record or the ID of the artist that we want to delete. So it's up to us to find this record in the artist collection and delete it. This is another operation that we went through a couple different ways over on our users application. So I encourage you to go back and check out how we did things over there, and feel free to kind of copy or take, I should say, I don't want to say copy, I want to say take inspiration from that implementation when implementing this delete one. Once you write out the delete artist query right here, you can refresh your application, then go to the detail screen for a single artist by clicking on the random artist button up here. And then you should be able to click on delete right here, and that should delete the artist for you. Once the artist is deleted, you shouldn't be able to find them again in the random artist selection up here. Now do note that this delete operation is a little bit tougher to test right now because we don't really have any good way of listing out all the different artists that we have, right? So it's total luck of the draw if you're clicking on random artists a whole bunch to be able to verify that an artist was successfully deleted. So if you want to make sure that your artist actually did get deleted, you can always open up RoboMongo and look through all of your different artists inside of here and just verify that one was actually deleted. Of course, you can also just look at the number of records you have, and after clicking delete, yeah, you should probably have one less. Okay, I think you get a pretty good idea of how this one's going to work. So I'm going to let you get to it, and then we'll come back in the next section and go over some solutions for deleting a very particular artist.